Hello friends, it's Jeff here. Welcome to my corner. Welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday number 35. And today we're going to look into making oxygen hoses out of lead wire. Now recently I've been building my B17 and that required a bunch of cables and oxygen hoses. So usually I make them out of plastic, out of stretched sprue or out of copper wire. But since I had these close by, I tried these and I have to admit this works a lot better than anything else I tried so far. As you well know, lead wire is very pliable and it's easy to fold and it stays in place. So let me show you real quick what it's all about. So first of all, we have to of course decide what kind of a size, if it's 72nd, 48 or 32nd scale. Now in my case it's 32nd scale, so we're gonna make it out of a little bit of a thicker kind of a wire. So let's say we want maybe a piece like this. So we take the first strand we take needs to be thicker than the one that we're gonna wrap around. So for this size we probably need like a strand this long. All right, so what we do now is we just take it by the end here and hold it like this and then just start wrapping it around. You don't have to use a lot of force, just gently. Make sure that you wrap them around as close as you can. Like this. And even sometimes you can just twist it like this. But always make sure that you keep an eye on the thread so that it really wraps up close to together. And we keep doing this until we have the desired length. Just keep twisting the thread around and make sure it doesn't overlap. You don't need to rush it, just take it easy and you will get a nice oxygen hose. And because of the lead wire, there is no resistance. So whatever you do, it stays in place. Sometimes with copper wire, when you release this strand, it uncoils or there's some tension on it and then you have to start over again. But in this case, it will all stay in place. You just have to take your time for it and you can get a nice result. And again, you can do these in different sizes. They sell lead wire in different sizes. So no matter what your project is, I'm sure you'll find the right size to make a couple of these hoses. So there you have it, guys. Now you just have to take a sharp knife and cut the excess off. Like this. And you have a nice oxygen hose. And the good thing is you can manipulate this, it stays in place. And what I usually do, I take a brush or a round object like this and I just bend it in shape the way I want to apply it to my model. And it stays in place. So that was it. Again, you can find these lead wire in any size you need. Probably in a major retail store like a Walmart in the fishing section, or if you go to a Bass Pro Shop, I'm sure you can find these. So that was it, guys. I hope you liked it. Please do not forget to subscribe and like and share us on Facebook. And most importantly, go to our website at www.jeffvcornerstore.com for all your future modeling purchases. But for now, I'm gonna leave it at that. I'll see you guys next time with another Quick Tip Tuesday, or definitely on Sunday at 7 o'clock Central Time for another live Facebook chat. So for now, Jeff V here, signing off.